Did you know Temu has a secret savings account that could be hiding some free money for you? First, open the Temu app and tap on the U tab located at the bottom navigation bar. This is your personal account area. Next, look for an option called Credits and Free Gifts. It might also be labeled something similar like Earn Credits or Rewards. Tap on that. Here's where the magic happens. You should see a section clearly labeled Credit Balance. This is your Temu credit. This balance comes from various things. Think of refunds, promotional offers, or even referral bonuses when you invite friends to use Temu. For example, if you returned an item and chose to receive a refund as Temu credit instead of back to your original payment method, it would show up here. Now, how do you use it? During checkout, Temu will automatically apply your credit balance to your order. You'll see the discount reflected in the final price. Double-check your order summary before confirming to ensure the credit was properly applied. And that's it, easy savings on your next Temu haul.